Namaste everyone, welcome back once again to Offbeat Psychology for Offbeat Information. In today's video, I would be telling you who is a rehabilitation psychologist, what is rehabilitation psychology, how we can make a career in rehabilitation psychology in India. If you are interested, watch this video till the end without skipping any part of it. So rehabilitation psychology is a subfield of psychology which aims at rehabilitating an individual or bringing back the individual to a society, in the mainstream society, someone who has been a criminal, someone who's a marginalized worker, or someone who has worked in the red light area, or maybe somebody who has some type of disability. These type of individuals are specially looked upon in this particular field of rehabilitation psychology. Rehabilitating an individual involves helping them by teaching them some or the other type of skills so that they can first earn for themselves, and second, they can manage their own problems by their own selves. So these problems could be related to their personal life, their condition, or anything else. So for example, if there is someone who is suffering with amnesia, so that particular person will be rehabilitated in such a way that he or she can manage himself even with that amnesia. Or maybe if someone is suffering with any sort of disability, so rehabilitating an individual with that particular type of disability will involve teaching them the skills so that they can handle their own issues and manage their own condition. Rehabilitation is a very wide area because it covers a lot of psychological problems. So a rehabilitation psychologist is an individual who specializes in the area of rehabilitation psychology. Specific type of psychologists, for example, specially clinical psychologists, criminal psychologists, and counseling psychologists can specially make a career in rehabilitation psychology. Why? Because they are working already with a specific type of population. For example, a clinical psychologist is already working with people who have some or the other type of psychological disorder. They need to be rehabilitated in a different way. Someone who's a criminal psychologist is working only with criminals. So rehabilitation of criminals will be done in a different way. Let's now consider the question how you can become a rehabilitation psychologist in India. So there are two ways in which you can make a career in rehabilitation psychology in India. The first way is to do MPhil in rehabilitation psychology, and the second one is to do postgraduate diploma in rehabilitation psychology. There are various colleges. I think this is one area where the number of colleges, I was just counting. There are so many institutions offering postgraduate diploma in rehabilitation psychology, and there are quite a few offering MPhil also in rehabilitation psychology. Now let me quickly tell you which these institutions are. The first one, I think, don't you already know? Okay, the first one is Christ University. It's offering a degree in psychosocial rehabilitation. The eligibility is that they take students of UG and PG psychology. They also consider students from non-psychology background. The second institute is Rehabilitation Council of India. It's offering a postgraduate diploma in rehabilitation psychology. Now, one important thing, the duration for all postgraduate diploma programs in rehabilitation psychology is only 12 months or 1 year. And the duration for all MPhil programs in rehabilitation psychology is 2 years. And for both of them, the eligibility criteria is that you should be a student of psychology. In some institutions, preference is also given to non-psychology background students. Some other institutions offering courses in postgraduate diploma in rehabilitation psychology are Jain-Narayan Vyas University, BM Institute of Mental Health, State Institute for Rehabilitation Training and Research Rohtak, Indira Gandhi National Open University, Uttar Pradesh Rajshri Tandon Open University Prayagraj, Vision Institute Faridabad, Adarsh Rehabilitation Center, Composite Regional Center for Persons with Disability Bhopal, University of Calicut. Singhania University, Rajasthan is offering a diploma program in rehabilitation psychology. Now quickly coming to the institutions which are offering an MPhil degree in rehabilitation psychology. First is Osmania University, Telangana. Next is National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities. Association of Rehabilitation Psychologists India is also offering a course on MPhil in rehabilitation psychology. MG University Kerala is also one of them. You can see there are many institutions which are offering courses in rehabilitation psychology in India. Let's now consider another important question. Where can rehabilitation psychologists find employment in India? So a rehabilitation psychologist can find employment in India in NGOs, in rehab centers, in mental health clinics and hospitals, in colleges and universities. One can also find employment in drug de-addiction centers. One can also find employment in government sector such as Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, which comes under the Government of India. Now, considering the last question, what is the salary of a rehabilitation psychologist? So a rehabilitation psychologist can get paid somewhere between 15,000 up to 50,000. So this variation is again depending upon where one finds employment. You must always remember the type of payment one receives also depends not just on the organization but also on the state in which you are working. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as I loved creating it for you. I hope you found it really helpful, and if you did, please hit that subscribe button so that you receive all important updates related to the videos I post on my YouTube channel Offbeat Psychology for offbeat information. I'll see you very soon in my next video. I love you all very much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.